Apple has launched a new app called Invites. As the name suggests, it's all about creating and sharing event invitations with friends and family. The best part, it's completely free. You can download it from the App Store. With the Invite app, you can customize invitations with your own photos or choose from built-in options like emojis and photography themes. Add details like the event title, date, time, and location. Participants can contribute photos and videos to a dedicated album to help capture memories. Add a playlist for your event and let guests add their favorite songs. Guests can easily respond as going, maybe, or not going, and you can track RSVPs in real time. No iCloud Plus or Apple account is needed for your guests. They can still RSVP and stay updated. Hosts can manage event details, share invites via link, and customize the invitation preview. So let's see how it works. It's super easy to create an event. Just open the app, click on the Create Event button, and you'll be able to customize your invitation. Choose your background. You can use your camera roll photos, or there are tons of built-in options like emojis, photography, theme designs, or even color options. For example, if you're hosting a birthday party, you could pick some birthday-related background. Then add your event title. Let's say it's Joy's birthday party. You can also change the font to match the vibe of your event. Next, add the event details like date, time, location. You can also add the playlist for your event. Tap into Apple Music and invite others to contribute their favorite songs. Anyone who gets the invitation can add their own songs to it. Once you are done, you can preview the invite. When your guests receive it, they can easily RSVP by marking themselves as going, maybe, or not going. But wait, there's more. Guests can do a lot more than just RSVP. Here are some extra features. Guests can easily add photos and videos to a shared album within the invite, making it easy to relive the moments. Guests can respond through the app or the web, and they don't need an iCloud Plus subscription or an Apple account. As a host, you'll get notifications about RSVPs and any event updates. While the app is free to download, sending invites does require an iCloud Plus subscription. However, your guests don't need an iPhone or iCloud account to join. They can still RSVP and stay updated through the app. Now you might be thinking Facebook already has a similar feature for event invitations. And you're right, but they differ a bit. Apple Invites is all about privacy and personalization that makes it perfect for small private events like birthdays. On the other hand, Facebook Invites is more social and public that allows you to create events that can be seen by a larger audience and interact with guests more openly. If you're an iPhone user, you should definitely check it out. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.